We all know someone whose life is affected by cancer, and we are so fortunate here in West Michigan to have places like Spectrum Health and the Lemon Holton Cancer Pavilion.
Absolutely, and there's a special event coming up this weekend to help raise money to help development of an adult bone marrow transplant center right here in Grand Rapids.
Steve and Cheryl Boschhoven are organizing the event, and Jennifer Reynolds is here from the Spectrum Health Foundation. This is going to be a wonderful gala. As co-chairs, why don't you tell us about the event? It's this Saturday.
It's this Saturday. It starts at 6:30 with cocktails and dinner and a program to follow, and it's going to be wonderful. We have the program itself will be featured, and they'll be talking about the need and letting everyone know what it is that they're supporting. And we have a really nice, some of our patients from Spectrum are actually featured this year in the program, and so it's going to be a great event. We're looking forward to it.
And you know, people don't realize that we don't have a bone marrow transplant on this side of the state, do we?
Exactly, we do not. And so a lot of these people have to travel to Ann Arbor, Detroit, even across to Mayo Clinic in Minnesota. So this is going to bring it closer to home, and that's just makes us another opportunity in West Michigan to have great care.
It really is a lot, and I think a lot of people don't understand what it takes and how important this is. Even I have had a coworker, and he had to undergo that treatment, had to get an apartment in Ann Arbor. His wife had to move over with them.
It takes a long
take time off of work.
Yeah,
I mean, that's crucial. How big is this to be able to have something here when, you know, you have to spend money and your loved ones have to drive and give up partly their careers in order to care for someone that they love.
That's exactly right. Like you said, it takes a long time. This treatment is over a number of weeks and potentially months, and you totally have to uproot yourself and be close to where the physicians and the treatment is. So having it here in West Michigan, we have over 200 people every year that need adult blood or marrow transplant, and so to be close to your family, closer to your home, is just tremendous in terms of helping your overall recovery.
Yeah.
And I know the gala, of course, is to support that effort, and I think it's really great how every year when the Spectrum Foundation has their gala, they're always introducing something new, something we didn't have, something we're going to improve, bringing back to our community. And that's what's happening this year, right, Jennifer?
We're so lucky in West Michigan because we have Spectrum Health, and we're able to offer to so many people in our community things closer like the blood and marrow transplant program. And it used to be that people had to travel farther away and leave their family and leave their community. And so now, year after year, we're able to offer more things. We have the new Children's Hospital, which is a wonderful addition. And this program will work synergistically with our children's blood and marrow transplant program. So we're hoping to build the two together.
What is the role of the Spectrum Health Foundation? You know, we know that all the amazing things and the various things that Spectrum Health does, but the foundation is such a key element in making everything run smooth and actually adding things that we need in West Michigan.
Right, that's true, Rachel. We have two foundations. We have the Spectrum Health Foundation, which we kind of refer to as the adult side, and then we have the Helen DeVos Children's Hospital Foundation for the Children's Hospital. And the foundation raises money every year for special programs and things we don't have, and is able to supplement the services and the health care that we provide to our patients in West Michigan. And every year, we're able to, with the gala, offer a significant amount of funds to either get programs off the ground or augment the programs we have. The foundation in 2009 gave away $15.5 million to programs and services for our patients and for health care in West Michigan. So
it's like you said, we've had some beautiful new buildings going up down here. The Children's Hospital is just fantastic. And they're necessary and wonderful enablers, but really it's what goes on inside of those buildings that makes the difference. It's the programs that help the doctors and the nurses and the other clinicians and staff. So that's where the foundation really comes alive and raises the money to provide those types of programs, and like the blood and bone marrow, something we don't have here that we really need need in West Michigan.
And you know, it's a great opportunity to get all dressed up. It's like, you know, it's our adult prom maybe, and to come downtown and regardless of the weather, you know, we were saying we have the underground parking, and to come and celebrate with the rest of the people that are there on something exciting that's coming.
Right, and tickets are still available.
Tickets are still available, and you can get them online if you'd like. You can go to www.spectrumhealthfoundation.org, and they're $200 per person, but we have openings, so if you're interested.
And it's helping a great cause. A lot of that will be, you know, donations.
Well, I know that you have stepped up to really chair this big event because, Cheryl, we want to say congratulations to you.
Thank you.
We have a special tie to the Cancer Center and this whole cause.
I do. I'm 4 years as a breast cancer survivor and very proud of that, and hope to continue, but I have a heart for what Spectrum is doing for this effort, so
Yeah,
that's
and
great.
how it can help people.
Exactly.
Well, wonderful. Thank you so much.
It's our pleasure.
Yeah.
It's going to be great.
We'll be right back.
Are you West?